Welcome to Building Blocks for Kindergarten with Santa Monica Public Library. Today we're going to talk about going to the doctor. Why should you talk about going to the doctor? Because it will help your child understand why it's important and not be afraid. Bienvenidos a Construyendo los Cimientos para el Kinder con la Biblioteca Pública de Santa Mónica. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre ir al médico. ¿Por qué debería hablar sobre el médico? Porque ayudará a su hijo a comprender por qué es importante ir al doctor y a no tener miedo. Books are a great way to introduce new concepts. To help us learn about the doctor, I have a Reading to Go kit. Do you want to see it? Los libros son una excelente manera de presentar nuevos conceptos. Para ayudarnos a aprender sobre el médico, tengo un kit de Reading to Go. ¿Quieres verlo? Look, I have a Reading to Go kit about going to the doctor. What's a Reading to Go kit? Reading to Go kits are early literacy kits with 5 books and 1 CD, DVD, or toy. We have 50 kits total, and they come in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and Amharic. Let's take a look. From Head to Toe by Eric Carle. Good book. Why We Go to the Dentist by Rosalind Clark. I don't like the dentist, but you should go to the dentist. Leo Gets a Checkup by Anna McQuinn. Going to the Doctor by Ian Smith. A Visit to Dr. Duck by Rosemary Wells. What else is in the kit? It's a doctor's bag. I know, we could pretend to be a doctor. Let's use my bear. Let's use this stethoscope to check my heartbeat. If you have a stuffed animal, your stuffed animal can pretend to be a doctor, or you can be the doctor. How does it sound? He says, it sounds good. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh look, it's a blood pressure cuff. Bear, can I check your blood pressure? Sure. Looks good. We should take the bear's temperature. Open up. Looks good. Reading to Go kits also have suggested activities. Let's see what those are. Talk to your child about the tools a doctor will use to keep them safe and healthy. Sing the song 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed. How do doctors help people? Play I Spy at the doctor's. Pick a tool like a scale. Give hints and have your child guess. Check out a Reading to Go kit today. Need more resources? Check out First 5 LA's parenting site for health resources and answers to common questions. Learn how to support your child's physical and mental health, especially during COVID-19. ¿Necesita más recursos? Visite el sitio para padres de First 5 LA para obtener recursos de salud y respuestas a preguntas comunes. Aprenda a apoyar la salud física y mental de su hijo, especialmente durante el COVID-19. Today's tip was about self-care and physical well-being. Building Blocks are short bilingual English-Spanish video segments that focus on targeted kindergarten readiness skills through reading and interactive activities. El consejo de hoy fue sobre el cuidado personal y bienestar físico. Building Blocks son segmentos breves de videos bilingües en inglés y español que se enfocan en habilidades específicas de preparación para el kinder a través de actividades interactivas y de lectura. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Gracias por vernos y hasta pronto.